Next, we will introduce a new family of functions called the hyperbolic functions. In trigonometry, we used the unit circle to define the trigonometric functions. However, if we replace the unit circle with the unit hyperbola, we may redefine a whole family of functions that are similar to trigonometric in spirit. However, they are technically not new functions and can be expressed in closed form using the well-known basic functions. So let's go over all of them briefly. The following two functions f and g with the following graphs are nicknamed as the hyperbolic sine and the hyperbolic cosine of x. The following two functions f and g with the following graphs are nicknamed as the hyperbolic tangent and the hyperbolic cotangent of x. And finally, the following two functions f and g with the following graphs are nicknamed as the hyperbolic cosecant and the hyperbolic secant of x. Interestingly enough, all the trigonometric identities that we learned in trigonometry have their twin identities in the hyperbolic world. The fact that we now have the unit hyperbola determining all the rules, so there are a few minuses where there used to be pluses. All identities can be easily proven, so let's just prove this one as an example. We start with the left-hand side, and we replace each function with their definition. We square each expression and collect the like terms. We combine the two fractions with the common denominator and collect all the like terms in the numerator. And we obtain the right-hand side. So the identity is proven. We introduced a new family of functions called the hyperbolic functions and discussed some of their properties.